In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Calendar with event details. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable calendar you can hand out, bring to meetings, or save as a PDF with the key info from each event included. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Calendar. Make sure you're looking at the month view so you get a full monthly layout. If you need a specific month, use the date picker or the arrows at the top to move to January 2026. Before printing, double-check the list of calendars on the left and show only the ones you want to include. Hiding extra calendars here keeps your printout focused and uncluttered. Now look to the top right of the page and click the gear icon to open the Quick Settings menu. From that menu, choose Print. This opens Google Calendar's Print Preview and Settings panel. On the left, you'll see the controls that shape how your calendar will look. Set the date range to cover January 1st through January 31st, 2026, or keep the full month if it's already selected. Choose the view you want. Month is ideal for an overview, but you can switch to week or schedule if you want more room for longer descriptions. Select the paper size that fits your printer, then pick portrait or landscape. If your events have lots of text, landscape usually gives you more horizontal space. Look for the options to fine-tune readability, like font size and color. If you rely on color coding, keep event colors on. Otherwise, a grayscale style can save ink. Most importantly, enable the setting to include event details or descriptions. Turning this on adds the extra information you typed into your events, such as notes, locations, or other details, so you're not just printing titles and times. If you need weekends or mini calendars, toggle those on. If not, leave them off for a cleaner layout. Take a moment to scan the preview on the right to confirm nothing is cut off. When everything looks good, click Print. Your browser's print dialog will appear. Choose your printer or select Save as PDF if you want a digital copy to share or store. Set margins to default or none to maximize space, and keep color printing on if you're using color coding. Finally, confirm by clicking Print. That's it. You've printed your Google Calendar with event details included. If anything looks cramped, try switching to landscape, reducing the font size slightly, or using the week or schedule view for a more detailed layout. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.